Chapter 12: Rocks, Soil and Minerals. You already know that our earth is made up of rocks and minerals. The innermost part of the earth is called the core. It is made of molten rocks and is therefore liquid. The outermost layer of the earth is hard and is called the crust. It is made of solid rocks. Rocks are hard and huge stones. These are found everywhere on the earth, under the ground, under seas and oceans. Rocks are of different kinds. They are useful to us in many ways. Rocks such as marble, granite, sandstone are used to make buildings. Rocks like diamond, ruby and emeralds are used in the jewelry. Minerals. Rocks and minerals are formed together. Minerals are taken out from the underground. Deep tunnels called mines are dug to get minerals. Iron, coal, gold are obtained from mines. A mine where iron is found is called an iron mine. The mineral that is mined or taken out is called iron ore. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth. In the beginning, the earth was covered with thick layers of rocks. For thousands of years, these rocks were heated by the sun and cooled by the rain. Due to this force of water and heat, the rocks broke into small pieces. These small pieces of rocks are rubbed against each other till they finally became tiny particles of soil. When plants and animals die, their bodies rot and they also get mixed with the soil. The rotten plants and animals are called humus. Scientific fact: rocks exist in almost all types of soil. Soil particles. Soil collected from different places have different colors. They are different because they are made up of different kinds of soil particles. The size of soil particles are as given in the picture. What does soil contain? Soil is made up of gravel, sand, clay and humus. Take some garden soil in a glass jar, fill the jar with water, cover it with a lid and shake well. Now let it stay till for 15 minutes. What do you observe? At the bottom, there will be a layer of gravel. Above them will be a layer of sand. Above the layer of sand, there will be a layer of clay. The water above the layer of clay is not so clear. It contains dead leaves, twigs, dead insects, etc. This is called humus. Layers of soil. Soil exists in 3 layers. Topsoil. It is the uppermost layer containing loose soil. Plants grow in it. Subsoil. It lies below the top layer. It is a closely packed layer of soil. It contains some rock particles. It is harder than the topsoil. Bedrock. It lies below the subsoil. It is the hardest layer of the soil. It contains rock particles and minerals. It is also known as solid rock. Kinds of soil. Different kinds of soil are found at different places. The different kinds of soil are sandy soil, clay soil and loamy soil. Sandy soil. Sandy soil is mainly made up of sand. It is yellow, grey or light brown in color. It is mostly found in desert on the seashores. It has lots of spaces between them. Water passes through these spaces very easily. Therefore, sandy soil cannot hold much water. Very few plants can grow in sandy soil. Clay soil. Clay soil is mainly made up of clay. It contains very small particles and is very smooth to touch. It is very sticky. It is found in ponds and river beds. Water cannot go through this soil easily. Therefore, it holds a lot of water. It has no spaces between the particles to hold air. Therefore, plants cannot grow properly in it. Clay soil is good for making pots. Loamy soil. Loamy soil is a mixture of sand and clay. It can hold enough water and air. It also has humus in it. This type of soil is the best for the growth of plants. Uses of soil. Soil is useful to us in many ways. Plants take in water from the soil for their growth. All living beings depend directly or indirectly on plants. We get many useful minerals from the soil. Soil is home to many animals. Tiny insects like ants, worms like earthworms, millipedes, centipedes live in soil. Rabbits and rats live in burrows in the soil.